Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa for Mandi. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 3 ripe tomatoes, 2 to 3 green chilies depending on your spice preference, and a good bunch of fresh cilantro. Don't forget a couple of garlic cloves, a small onion, and 1 juicy lemon. We'll also use a touch of olive oil, salt, and freshly ground black pepper to season our delicious salsa. Now let's get to the preparation. Start by roughly chopping your tomatoes, green chilies, and the small onion. There's no need for perfect cuts here, as we'll be blending them. Next, finely mince your garlic cloves. This helps release their full aroma and flavor into the salsa. Finally, squeeze the juice from 1 lemon into a small bowl, making sure to catch any seeds. This fresh citrus brightens the entire dish. It's time to bring everything together. Transfer all your roughly chopped tomatoes, chilies, onion, and minced garlic into a food processor. Add about 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil and the fresh lemon juice you just squeezed. Pulse the mixture until it reaches your desired consistency. Some prefer it chunky, others smoother. Finally, season generously with salt and black pepper, tasting and adjusting until it's just right. Your delicious homemade Mandi salsa is now ready to be served. It pairs perfectly with any Mandi dish, adding a fresh, zesty kick. If you have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and refrigerate. It will stay fresh for up to 3 days, ready for your next meal. And speaking of meals, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep. Enjoy your flavorful salsa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.